A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. Routers connect computers and other devices to the internet. A router acts as a dispatcher, choosing the best route for your information to travel. It connects your business to the world, protects information from security threats, and can even decide which computers get priority over others.
Parts of a router.
Wi-Fi protected setup button allows discovery of new devices to connect in the network. LAN ports connects the router to the computer and allows it to connect in the network. WAN port, it is where the internet service provider connects. Reset button, it is used to reset the router back into its original or factory setting. A wide area network or WAN is a large computer network that connects groups of computers over large distances. WANs are often used by large businesses to connect their office networks. Each office typically has its own local area network or LAN, and these LANs connect via WAN. Gather and prepare. Gather the needed devices such as computer, router, and Ethernet cable. It is also important to plan where you are going to place your router in your house or workplace. Place the router in the central location of your home. If not, you can mount or place it in an area where the most of the internet users stay the most of the time. Reset the router. Resetting of router is important to revert back its factory settings. Click the reset button using a tip of a pen and wait until all the lights on. Establish right connection. Prepare your computer, Ethernet cable, and router. Make sure that the Ethernet service provider ISCP network cable is connected to the WAN port of the router. Next, look for the Ethernet port of your computer. Using the Ethernet cable, connect the end to the computer and the other end to the router. And lastly, connect the power cable to the router and plug it into the outlet. You must now see a light indicator to the router and computer's Ethernet port. Identify router's IP address. Each router has its IP address. To identify your router's IP address, you can see the manufacturer's manual or use the command line of your computer. For command line, make sure that your router is connected to your computer. Click Windows search bar and type command prompt, then hit enter. Type ipconfig in the command and click enter. The IP address is next to the default gateway. Open router's web management page. Go to the computer's web browser and type the default IP address of your router. A login page will appear. Enter manufacturer's default username and password. In our ZTE router, the username and password is user. After that, click again. You can now see the WAN settings of your router. Click SSID settings to change the WAN name, then click submit. Go to security to change the password, then click submit. After configuration, you can now click log out and close the browser.